Hello and welcome again. My name is Kenny Yu. In this video, I'll be showing you how to run PerfInsights from the Azure portal. First, we're going to go and log into the Azure portal, select the virtual machine we want to collect the data for, and under the Help section, go and click Perf Diagnostics. And now we're going to click Install Perf Diagnostics. We're going to have four choices to select. I'm going to select the Advanced Performance Analysis, which will give me the most data collection I need for this troubleshooting steps. I'm gonna choose 60 seconds. The default is 5 minutes. I'm gonna leave the defaults on for the performance counters. I'm gonna leave the rest off. If you do have a support case number, please enter that. That will tie the case back to the perf collection. I'm gonna click acknowledge. Then I'm gonna click OK. And this will take a few minutes to install. And we'll check. All right, looks like it finished collecting. Here's the what the windows will look like. I did get an initial collection from checking the box when I installed the Perf Diagnostics. Go ahead and just click into that. I'll just give me a quick overview what the initial findings were. And this was, I believe, was 60 seconds or so, but it looks like it got a little bit over a minute collection here. And they do have the grouping of the overview, which is the high, medium, low. I have some high recommendations for the SQL analysis, some of the best practices. Yeah, just give that a look and see if it applies to you. If I need some more detailed information, I just go ahead and click download the report. And once download, I can just unzip it and just double click that PerfInsight report HTML file. When I get that, they'll bring up this PerfInsight report. And again, it's going to give me an overview of what the virtual machine looks like, a CPU breakdown, what are some of the top CPU consumptions here, and then also a memory, top consumer memory. I'm expecting SQL Server here, and then also storage. Initial the tab is the findings. Then we have the disk mapping. This is the physical disk maps, what it looks like, and then what the storage accounts. Is it the size, right? And then also my volume mapping will also give me the size, percentage free, and then also kind of corresponding disk drive, which is also the disk drive and also the LUNs. If there's a storage pool configure, we can also see that. Any filter drivers that are outside of Microsoft. Looks like everything I have on my box is Microsoft. Any top disk consumers. And the last but not least is this graph. This graph is great because it lets me to kind of isolate which drive I want to focus on. I can just uncheck any of these boxes, and then I can just kind of zoom in, right, and kind of drag. I just want to kind of see what it looks like here, right, and also I can check which drive type I have, and I could just kind of highlight that, and the P30 gives me about 5,000 IHOPS, and then I could do the same for the megabytes per second. This is a good way to check for latency on the disks, or any latency that it's applied to the virtual machines. And also I have some networking, Windows, system event log, some SQL information, configuration settings, how the database is broken down. Yeah, go ahead and give this a try, and let me know how this goes. And this is a quick look on how to run your Perf Diagnostics on Azure portal. And thanks for watching, and